I'm going to start showing you how you can safely remove your WoodUbend mouldings without wrecking it. And unless you do this, your WoodUbend moulding will not come off, it will not shrink, it will not crack, and it will not fall off the surface. So this is our Dreamcatcher WoodUbend moulding. I'm going to start taking it off and warming it very gently. Off you go. I'm warming this. It is taking a little bit of time, but I'm warming it very carefully and thoroughly. The whole secret of this, guys, is that you warm your WoodUbends up very well. Even when you're applying them or taking them off, so that they don't break, they need to be warmed up very well.
Karen said this is amazing to know and watch.
Yes, the hot tip, guys, to never ever throw your WoodUbend mouldings away. So when you are decorating pumpkins or things that don't have much of a life, or you want to throw something away, always take your WoodUbend off before disposing of your item. Right, so once your WoodUbend is off, these are now starting to cool down. I'm going to pop them in that bag.
Steve asks, are they all reusable?
These are all reusable, Steve. Yeah, obviously they've got paint on them, but you just paint over. I'm going to be sending this off to somebody. It's totally brand new. It's got a bit of paint on it, but you can stick it to your surface and you can reuse it. And I'm going to pop all these bits. These are from one of our lovely trims. That's the 50. Is that the 50B?
50B, yeah.
I'm going to put all the little bits in.
That's awesome, says Diane. Big second-hand market, says Steve.
Actually, looking at these now, these would look lovely on there, wouldn't they? There you go, look at those colours, wow.
No, mandala.
So, I showed you how to safely remove the Dreamcatcher WoodUbend. Thank you ever so much for watching. Thanks for sprinkling, whoever has done, and we'll see you soon. Bye.